What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Always Occupied Home and Product Reviews, and in this review we have a Ring doorbell. I know on my channel you know I love wireless, but guess what? Today we have a wired Ring doorbell. Open that, show y'all this real quick because I want to go ahead and install it. Come out, there we go. Oh, this is bigger than what I thought it was. All right, here we go. I do the part my wife don't like doing. She don't like taking the plastic off. She loves keeping the plastic on her electronics. And me, I like ripping it off because I love new. So let me go ahead and rip this off and let's just go ahead and get into the install, you guys. I can't wait. So see y'all out front. First thing it says to do is to turn off the power at your breaker. If you're not an electrician and you don't feel comfortable with doing electrical work, call a professional to do this. You never know what kind of mistakes you'll make, especially when it comes to electrical shock and blah blah blah. So the best thing to do is to call a professional. And yeah, so other than that, turn off the power at your circuit breaker. Now the next step, it says to grab the jumper cable, and the jumper cable is to bypass your original chime. Right now I want to go ahead and work with the doorbell. So right now, from what I see, it says remove the faceplate. Let me see. Yeah, like that. All right. So that's the cover. Put this on last, and you have a hole right there and a hole right there. I'm just going to go ahead and turn off my power at the breaker. That way I can just go ahead and install this. And yeah, let's go ahead and get to work. All right, you guys, so we are going to take off the old doorbell. And yes, I turned the power off at the circuit breaker, you guys. Turn your power off, okay? We are going to do this, and then we're going to go to the chime. If y'all don't know already, I do have a Ring floodlight camera. That's what I caught the person who threw my package before. And there we go. All right, now the wires, very like I don't have enough room to do anything. They could have made it longer than this. All right, let's see what I can do. Let's see what I can do and go ahead and put these on. Now this is my first time doing this, you guys, so bear with me. I just screwed the blue one on. Now I'm gonna screw up the white one. And I'm sorry, I wish I could show y'all. It's just like putting on wires, you guys, on your electrical outlets and stuff, but I don't have enough wire here to show y'all. All right, I got both on and I'm excited. It's a little bit bigger than my trim. My trim is a little bit out right here, so it's gonna be like an angle kind of, which my OCD may kick in, I don't know. But I'm gonna leave it alone, you guys. I'm gonna leave it alone. Right now I need to leave it open because I need to do the jumper for the chime. So let me go ahead to the chime. I'm trying to get comfortable on this ladder, so we may have to look for a product where we can sit on the ladder and be comfortable, right? Let's open up this. All right, now in the instructions, and remember to turn your power off, okay? Now remember, we had a blue and the white wires outside. Let's go ahead and jump this thing. I'm gonna leave the original wires on there. Nervous.
Nervous that you're gonna fall?
Yeah, I think I'm nervous I'm gonna fall. All right, so we just threw our jumpers on there, right? Let's go ahead and let's turn on the electricity. All right, that goes on like that. To be honest with you guys, I'm surprised. It's searching. It works. It works, you guys. I am so excited. All right, so right now it's searching. Let me get my phone and go on the Ring app and try to pair it up, and then I'll get back with y'all. All right, you guys, so I went to my Ring app. It says scan the QR code. I'm ready to scan. You got to go through like 1,000 questions before you even use this device, you guys. So bear with me. All right, so my chime don't work. Not really worried about that, you guys. Don't really care if the doorbell works or not, as long as this works. Tap to go live, and everything works really good.
Can you hear me?
Oh, yeah, I can hear you really good.
Hi, how are you?
How you doing?
I'm good, and you?
Good. I have a package for you.
Okay, thank you. You
All
can
right.
leave it on the porch.
All right, I'm gonna throw it on the ground.
Go ahead, I got you on camera.
All right, you guys. Like I said, my wife has a password to the account, so y'all see that she was easily accessed to get to me, and yeah. So, did you get a notification?
Yes, through the ring, I did.
So, you guys, the ring is really good. I almost forgot to install. So, what you have to do is, and they do provide you with anchors if you need anchors. If you have to put this in a hollow wall. Put this back on. Do I get a notification when this ring? Let me see. Yep. I get a notification immediately. It says someone is at your front door. All right, you guys. So, my ring floodlight, for some reason the audio is not working very well, or not working at all. Maybe the water got into it. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna contact Ring. I might take the floodlight down. I'm gonna contact Ring and see if what they can do, if there's a replacement, how many year replacement it is. Maybe they might charge for parts and labor. I'm not sure, but I'm gonna call them tomorrow about that. But as far as the Ring doorbell, I'm fine with that. Water never hits the porch anyway, so yeah.